Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're talking about how to draft a semicircular sleeve, that is 180 sleeve pattern. First and foremost, trace out your pattern. If you have your sloper with you, trace it out. I'll be using my back arm line to front arm line, center grain line to slash. So after outlining them, I'm going to slash them, then spread it. I'm going to rule a line as a guide. That's where I'll place my top center grain line. Then here represents where my spreading will end. Is like half of my circle. So I'm going to place my top center grain line on that line, on the new line I introduced, then spread. The side seam meets where the spreading will. This is where the spreading will end. It shouldn't exceed here. If it exceeds here, which means it's no longer 180, it's no longer semicircle. So now I'm going to connect my center grain line. So what I will do now is to fold it. Let the new center grain line meet the one that I've slashed. I don't have my flexible curve here, so I'm going to fold it, let the line come closer. So I'm going to curve. So I'm using 30 cm, which is the actual sleeve length, sleeve length that I'm using. So I'm going to use my tracing wheel to just have a small curve there. So when I'm done, I'm going to connect the lines. So this is what I have. So now the next thing I will do is just to cut out, but add the allowances, your hemming allowance and your sewing allowance, your side seam sewing allowance. So here I have 30 cm. Now on the side seam I have 23.5. That's what I have here. Now the reason why all the sides, all the lengths will not be equal is so that the hem will be equal. Because now if I place the sleeve on the top arm line, it takes the full length, then but the side seam takes the shorter length, so automatically the hem will be equal. But if you decide to extend the length of the side seam to be equal to the center grain line, which means the hem will be uneven, the underarm hole length will be longer. So this is what we'll have after cutting out on fabric. So I'm going to stitch the side seam, and that's all. You're not attached to your bodice. This is what I have. So when I now place it, I'll start from the underarm hole, then place. I'm using my mini dress form to place. This is what I have. So the hem is equal. That's what I want to achieve.